everyone, I hope you're all well. Today I'm so excited to be sharing my me-made wardrobe of autumn. Autumn is quickly coming to an end here in Australia and I'm so excited to show you all the items that I made for my wardrobe this season. I've shared tutorials for a lot of these items, so if there's anything you like the look of and would like to make for your own wardrobe, then be sure to check out the links in the description below this video. But yeah, I'm super proud to share what I've made. A lot of the items I never thought I'd be capable of making, so let's jump in and let me show you what I made this season. First off, I have this super cute burnt orange gathered skirt. I've actually shared the tutorial to make this skirt. I call it my perfect gathered skirt as it's one of my tried and true patterns that I've perfected over the years. And it's so easy to make. It's basically just a bunch of rectangles sewn together, and it also features this really cute waist tie. As you can see, it's very similar to the skirt I'm wearing today. I picked this one up in a vintage shop in Kyoto when I was in Japan at the start of this year, and I feel like they've been the perfect addition to my wardrobe. It's just totally my style, and yeah, just really easy to just wear with a basic top, but I think it's very, very cute. So let me know if you have had a go at making this skirt for yourself. While I was at work a couple of weeks ago, I was serving a customer who was wearing a skirt very similar to this, and I was like, I love your skirt so much, it's so cute. And she's like, are you Rosery Apparel? And then I was like, yes. And then she began to tell me how she had found my tutorial and made the skirt from that, and it was just the most exciting thing ever. So if you've had a go at making this skirt for yourself as well, then I would love to hear about it. And if that girl is watching this video, then thank you so much for sharing with me that you made this skirt. It was just so exciting for me and you really made my day. Next up, I have two dresses that were made with the one pattern. It's actually my very own sewing pattern, the first of many, hopefully, that I've created. It's called the Rosa Dress, and this is the pattern. It's available on my website, so again, I'll have a link down in the description of this video. It's available in the paper pattern version and a downloadable version as well. But let me show you what I made for my wardrobe out of this pattern. First up, I have made the sleeve version out of this absolutely adorable floral fabric. I'll see if I can find a link to this fabric actually, and that way if you want to make this exact dress, you just need to pick up my pattern and I'll have the fabric linked below so you can make this dress for yourself. I'm so happy with it. It's just such a cute everyday basic dress. It's really comfortable, the sleeves are really cute, and I feel like with a cropped jumper and a pair of tights, then this dress will get me through some of the colder months, but obviously is perfect for the warmer months as well. I'm really happy with how this one's turned out, and I think it's really cute, and hopefully it gives you a good idea of what you can potentially make with my Rosa Dress pattern. As a part of the Rosa pattern, you can also make the sleeveless version, which has a lined bodice, which just makes the dress look so professional in my opinion. I made this one out of a vintage tablecloth and I am in love. It's got this really beautiful kind of linen feel to it, but because it's a vintage tablecloth, it's been worn really nicely, so it's just got this lovely softness that comes with fabric being used for many years, which is really nice. But yeah, so this is the sleeveless version of the Rosa dress, so you can make two dresses with the one pattern. So like I said, I'll leave a link to my Rosa pattern down in the description of this video. By purchasing this pattern, it's an amazing way to support me and my channel and will allow me more time to make more videos like this one. So thank you so much to everyone who's already purchased it. It means the absolute world to me. Next up, I have another skirt that I added to my wardrobe this season. Last week I shared the making process of this skirt and I made it to be kind of like a perfect outfit that goes with this cute little cropped blouse here as well. Let me show you the skirt first though. I actually made this skirt out of an old vintage pattern that I had in my stash, and I am so happy I gave it a go because it's my new favorite pattern. It has this really cool front pocket detail with, again, a little waist tie at the front, and then it's just got a whole row of buttons along the front of the skirt, but it's just such a beautiful design. I just feel like it's really simple but just such a great addition to my wardrobe, unlike anything I already own. So yeah, I'm really happy I discovered this vintage pattern of mine and have plans to make many more of this skirt for my wardrobe. I just love the style of it so much. And then, like I was saying, to go with it, I made this really cute basic blouse, again with buttons along the front, and it's just got these simple rolled up sleeves, which gives a really effortless, easy, kind of relaxed look, I guess, to any outfit. Obviously the fabric of this blouse is just lovely. It's a beautiful textured cotton kind of fabric in this lovely dusty pink colour. I also think this blouse will work really well with a pair of high-waisted jeans. Yeah, it's just such a great basic item to add to my wardrobe, and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. This next dress is another variation of my Rosa Dress pattern. As you can see, this is the long version of the dress, and I have added these insanely beautiful puffy sleeves, which I have shared a free pattern for. So if you already have the Rosa pattern or you're planning to purchase it, then I have made a free template that fits perfectly with the Rosa pattern to create these amazing puffy sleeves. I just love big sleeves at the moment. I mean, this dress on its own is beautiful, and then just adding these beautifully big puffy sleeves has made it a real statement item, which I absolutely love. The colour is insanely beautiful as well. I think we decided it was called terracotta, this colour, which is just, yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? And yeah, this is just a really special item, I think, for my wardrobe, and something that you can easily dress up if you wanted to, but also wear a pair of trainers with and make it a bit more casual as well. Also, the Rosa dress has pockets. I love a dress with pockets, and it just makes this beautiful dress just that extra bit special. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I've been working on a knitting project this season, and I've been having so much fun with it. I kind of got back into knitting in a big way last winter, and then I decided I wanted to make myself this intricately beautiful lace kind of knitted jumper. No idea if I was going to be able to do it or not, but I'm really excited to share that I managed to make it and had so much fun in the process. So here is the jumper that I made. It's made out of this beautiful rose-coloured pink wool, and I'm just so proud of myself that I've managed to make it. The lace kind of pattern detail was surprisingly not that difficult to do. I've never knitted anything like this before, and it was actually a lot of fun as well because the stitch constantly changed, so you were never bored doing the same thing over and over because the pattern kind of had to keep changing and you had to concentrate a little bit more with it. So it was definitely a challenge, but a lot of fun. I'll hopefully be able to put in some close-ups of it for you so you can have a good look at the stitching. It's just, yeah, I think really impressive. I'm really proud of myself that I've managed to make this one, and I've made it kind of cropped. So hopefully it will be perfect to wear with some of my dresses during winter. But yeah, I think I will be definitely using this pattern again in the future because I am in love with it. And the last two items I have to share with you are my bucket hats that I made this season. I'm someone that has very fair skin, so I always need to wear hats when I'm out in the sun. So I decided to have a go at making these really cute bucket hats. I have shared a tutorial and a free pattern to make these as well, so definitely check out the links in the description if you'd like to make a cute little bucket hat for yourself. The first one here is just this really cute gingham number with a cute little tie, so you can wear it on a windy day without any fear of it flying away, and I'm just so in love with it. This was just made with a cotton fabric, but the way the stitching goes around the rim kind of makes it a little bit more structured, I guess you could say. But as well as this, I also had a go at making this one, which was made out of a thicker cotton, and I made it reversible. So when you wear it, there's kind of a little pop of this cute little vintage floral underneath, which I think is adorable, and they turned out really well. I'm really happy with them, and I really love seeing some of you make them as well and tag me on Instagram. It's so cool that the pattern's working out perfectly for you as well, so thank you for sharing those with me, and I'm glad you enjoyed the free pattern. So I hope you enjoyed having a look at my me-made wardrobe of autumn. Like I said at the start, I'm so proud of these items, and again, it's just so satisfying to see everything I've made during one season nicely on one rack like this. It's just one of my favorite things to do, is at the end of each season gather everything I've made and yeah, just take some time to appreciate some of the fun things I've been able to work on this season. I hope this video inspires you to make some items for your own wardrobe this coming season, and if you'd like to see any of my future tutorials or other videos like this one, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and come find me on Instagram if you haven't already at Rosery Apparel. Thanks for watching!